Today we have the deal of the day. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Big shout out to my man Stan the Man for pointing this out, for reminding us of the deal of the day. Alright, so let's see here. Go here to installation offers. Alright, so we got special buys of the day. We got rigid 10 ounce caulk gun, $119. You got a belt sander, $59.97. You got an oscillating tool with the, I believe, a 3, $179. You got a sander here, $179 with the 3, I believe, and the charger. Got a saw, I believe it's not the fuel, $179. You got a vacuum here, $179. These are not the best deals, guys, but you know, if it's a kit, you know, it's an okay deal, not the best. You got 5-inch random over sander, $99. You got a circ saw, 7 1/4, brushless circ saw, $179. You got a rigid octane circ saw, $199. You got the grease gun kit, $179. You got the cordless wood and dry vac, $179. Now this is an okay deal. I believe we've seen it cheaper. We've seen this for like around $200 or less. Around $200, I believe, not too long ago. This is a DeWalt Atomic 20 volt max brushless cordless. That's the impact drill and the drill. The impact drill and the drill. 2 basic batteries, a charger, and a bag. And then we got the. Let me just check real quick. What size is this? 142 piece DeWalt tool set. So $249 for that. On this one, you got the same kit with the free oscillator, or with an oscillating tool, $249. Like I said, not the best deals. Same thing with this, with the one-handed reciprocating saw. Got a 5-tool combo kit, $139. This mostly for the DIY. Just keep that in mind. No professional, no upper tier tools here. $79 for the drill and the light there and the battery charger. Same thing with this. They give you a free bit set, $99. But these are the HP, just to let you know, or not the HP. These are just the regular drill. This is the HP here. This is the SDS Plus Rotary Hammer 1-inch, $179. Does come with 1 battery, and looks like they give you the new battery here. Got the hammer drill. Looks like hammer drill, 1/2 inch, $179 with the battery. You got the drywall screw gun, $179. Got another drill here for $99. Another hammer drill here for $199 with the battery. Like I said, not the best deals. Seems like we got better deals here with the new stuff on rigid. So this is the newer drill driver kit, a 2 amp hour battery, $109. Got the octane angle grinder, 4.5, $139. Got the drywall cutoff or cut out tool, $179. You got the drywall there, cutoff tool, $99. You got 2 impact wrenches here, maybe a 3/8 and a 1/2 inch, $179. Yeah, this one's not too bad. Fuel surge, $179. You got the impact driver kit with the 2 amp hour batteries. It looks like it. $159. You got the jigsaw, $169 with 1 battery. Got the M18 fuel brushless cordless deep cup. It's a bandsaw. Looks like a bandsaw. $329. You got the one-handed reciprocating saw, the hacksaw, $179. I believe it's the fuel. So You got a cordless planer, 59 bucks. Not too bad. It's a pretty good deal. You got the Octane cordless compact fix router, 149 with one battery. Sanders already sold out. Alright, here's where we're gonna start seeing the better in the hand tools here. You got the pull saw with the compass handle, 1997. You got a compact fixed blade folding utility knife, 497. You got a bolt cutter here, 39 bucks. You got a heat gun, dual temperature, 29.97. You got a hammer, a DeWalt hammer, 21 ounce, 19.97. You got a sawhorse, metal, 24.97. You got a mechanics tool set, 53 piece, $99. This must be a really nice one. I like it with the case. So if you're already on the platform, on the DeWalt tub system, you can use the case, and that's nice. You got the blade tape measure and a blade and a tape measure. $27.97. Here's two 4 amp hour batteries, HP. So these are the better batteries, by the way. 109. I know we have a deal going on right now, Ryobi Days, with the two batteries and get a free tool. That's probably the better deal to get now. You got lithium HP capacity, 3 for 169. I believe this is 4. Yeah, 4 for 349. Like I said, not the best deals. Look at this one. This one's a 2 amp hour, a 10 pack, 199. Not the best deals on these. All right, so the blades are pretty good. You got a DeWalt Construction 10-inch 24 teeth thin curve table saw blade, $16.97. This was pretty good too if you do a lot of framing. 7 1/4 24 teeth carbide tipped circular saw blades. I saw this for $5. That's weird. I saw this for like $5 in my cell phone. Maybe I saw something different. Anyways, you got 6 for $32. You got a dual sandwich diamond truck point blade, $29.97. You got some Makita 10-inch 60 tooth, $39.97. You got a 12-inch 60 tooth, $44.97. A 12-inch 80 tooth carbide tipped, $54.97. You got a 14-inch diamond blade, $79.97. Got a 12-inch, $49.97. 16-inch, 119. 14-inch, 119 diamond blade. All right, you got a Milwaukee hole dozer general purpose, 20 piece, $99. It looks like this includes some bigger bits and some extra bits here, as you guys see there. Got a 12 piece, $94.97. You got a Diamond Max hole saw kit, 3 piece, $25.97. You got a Tough System 2.0 shallow tray, Tough System 2.0 the insert, $14.90. Not too bad if you're on the line there. Carbide SDS hammer bit set, 5 piece, $13.97. Got a DeWalt drill drive set, 14 piece or 12 piece, $21.97. You got a Shockwave impact duty olive steel. It's not a bad. Actually, yeah, it's kind of pricey here. This might be worth it though. $39.97. You got an Impact X driver bit set, 35 piece, $14.97. These are pretty nice. Impact X 40 piece, $17.97. You got a Shockwave impact duty drill driver alloy steel screwdriver bit set, $29.99. Got impact duty bit set titanium. This does include the titanium. This is a better deal here, $49.97. And then this one comes with some saw blades. So we did see this cheaper the other day. I forgot the price, but $39.97 for this one with the saw blades. And then this one you get two, $44.97. It's a pretty good deal there. Got a double-ended carbon steel nut driver, $16.97. You got a 16-inch diamond blade segmented, $129. You got a Shockwave Impact Duty titanium bed set shock, so $38.97. You got a fan. Now this is a pretty good deal. Not the best, because you can hack it right now with the buy one get one free from the batteries. But it's not too bad here. You got a fan and the radio or the Bluetooth speaker for $99. Yeah, I would definitely, instead of buying like this, if you're on the Ryobi platform, just go with the batteries. It's much worth it. So $159 for these three, not the best deal out there. Cordless floodlight, $87.97. You got adjustable beam flashlight, $54.97. That's auto sold out. Alright, got some generators here. You got Westinghouse iGen 600, 1200 watt pure sine wave, $349. You got a power equipment 10,000, 8,000 watt gas powered generator, $975. You got a 1500, 3,000 watt pure sine wave, $399. You got 6,500, 575 Champion. Champion's a good brand. You get 11,000. So mostly bigger ones here. 11,000, 9,000 for under $1,000 there. You got a 150 watt, 300 watt, 124. So basic, really basic, smaller stuff. You guys can run on that. Then you got a 4,500 to 3,600 watt recoil start propane generator. So you can. You guys don't know, you guys, when they have something like this, you can run it on propane or regular gas dual fuel, $449. These are definitely worth it. So I guess that's it for today. Not the best deals, guys. I think the best deals are probably gonna be on the blades, and some stuff like this is okay. But yeah, not the best deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.